Today on Cone Draggers, I'm going to be working on my wiring a little bit. I'm going to start the engine up today. Also, I'm going to use the smoke machine, make sure I don't have any exhaust leaks, especially before the O2 sensor, because that will give bad readings. But that's what's going on today. Watch and find out. As you can see here, I got the wiring all kind of neat. I mean, it's gonna be, there's a lot of slack in here, but that's, I'll figure something out to do with that. But all ran up along the side, all nice and neat. Nobody's gonna be tripping on anything. My wire's up around my dash. I got a lot more wiring to do, but that'll be in the future. But keep on keeping on. So this is the leak tester. I got air hose running to it. It's on. I got some smoke maker juice in there. I taped up my Y pipe. I'm just going to shove it in the hole. And let it fill up with exhaust, and wherever smoke comes out, that's where our leaks are. We'll put a little extra tape on there, and I'll be back. So the smoker has been running for a little bit now, and I see I have one leak here, which I see I didn't weld all the way. So that's why that's leaking. Oh, and I'm getting another little leak from the header, but I have not put my my exhaust gaskets in there yet. Well, that explains that one. The O2 is it too?
No, it's fine.
I actually didn't even tighten that.
Oh, really?
No.
That's pretty good. That's leaking up there.
The exhaust gasket's not in there.
Did you put it on this one?
No.
That one?
I don't know. Maybe this one isn't tight. But I forgot to weld back here too. But that's pretty good. There's no smoke on this side. Yeah, that's true. So that's how those work. Oil leak?
Yeah, no big deal. That wasn't no oil. You can hear the exhaust leak on this side.
Your bike is by the garden shed.
You can hear it on this side going.
Yeah.
But otherwise, it sounds pretty good. It still sounds loud.
Sweet.
It's still loud.
How far does the exhaust go?
Halfway.
Yeah, it's gonna rumble the shit out of the inside of the car. It's pretty loud.
I don't have a resonator or a muffler on yet, so there's gonna be both of those.
But it still sounds pretty good.
Yeah, dude, it was idling at 1,000 RPM, dude. All cool, like.
Your drag shaft works and everything.
Well, I'm gonna call that done for today. I got my cowl started. I don't really like how it's turning out, but you know, it will just keep the rain out of the motor. And if I don't like it, eventually in the future, I plan to get a shorter intake that will fit under the hood better, and I can get a new hood and throw this one in the garbage. I got it started today. It runs. Sounds great, I think. Wiring's cleaned up. I still have to fix some exhaust leaks, but that'll be in the future. I won't even bother recording that because that's kind of boring. But catch us on the next episode. Remember to like and subscribe, and have a good day.